Hello, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing the Green Club Toy Shed to Beach Hut Craft and Accessories. And I have these little photo frames. They're 50p from Poundland, and they're 5cm by 5cm. They're really cool little art canvases. And then I have over 200 stickers. And we're going to choose a little sticker that fits perfect on the canvas. So I want one that, I don't mind if it sticks a little bit over, but I don't want it going too over. Some of these stickers are so cute. I love that avocado on the cat's head. That's one of my favourites. I wanted 3 nice ones for the white canvas and 2 nice ones for the black canvas. And I wanted them both in the same kind of style. So on the white ones, as you can see, I've chose 3 that look really good. This one reminds me of a Gilby film. And now we start on the black canvas ones. And some of these stickers with the headphones and the sunglasses are so cute. I really like the raccoon with his peace hands. I really like the doggy with the glasses on as well. So I've chosen my 2 stickers for the black canvas. I've got my white canvas stickers ready. So it's just sticking them onto the canvas now. Some of them slightly go over the frame, but not too much. Gives it a little 3D effect. They are cute, the cat ones. Then I use meat netting, which I cut down to 12 inches and cut it open. And then I use 2 thin pieces of ribbon on either side. I use my glue gun, so be very careful. Some was a little bit overlapping. Then I have 2 lollipop sticks cut down to 13 centimeters. And then what I'm going to use, I'm going to sandwich the twine in between. That's 9 inches that I cut down to. And you can see I'm sandwiching them together using a glue gun. Then I glue the ends of the hammock twine, and then I use 2 thick pieces of 11-inch thick ribbon across, and then I get 2-inch piece of ribbon just to finish the end of the hammock, the pieces that I glued together, and then that's done. And then I glue the little black picture frames, the little black canvas together, and then I glue the little cats all together that look so cute in a cute little line. And then I use a piece of meat netting that I cut down to size for the back of the wall of the beach hut. And then I use tiny little charms from eBay. And then these are two little magnets that I got off of food packets that I've used. I'm using the glue gun all along, so go careful, always have adult supervision. And then I use these little eBay seaside charms again in battery fairy lights that I got from Poundland that I used in the craft video from last year. So I open each fairy light up, and then I'm going to put little charms in the end of it. I glittered them up last year, and this year I'm just going to put little seaside charms in them just to give it that little seaside feel. And then there they are all done. They look quite cute. And I'm just going to place them all round in the loft and all out, hide the battery pack. And then from last year I have a foodie little measuring cup and little spade. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the top off, the little level, and then I'm going to use that as a bucket handle, but I'm not going to glue it directly on the top because I wouldn't be able to use it as a bucket then. I'm just going to glue it on the sides, and I'm going to use my glue gun again just to glue the sides on, to glue the handle onto the sides. And then I've got a tiny little bit of handle left over the top that I cut off just to level it out. And then there's the spade, and it looks quite cute. And then I have this sand craft from Poundland that I'm going to use as my sand for the beach. And I also have this Crayola Silly Sense Green Apple from Poundland that I'm going to mix together with the Sandcraft. And then I have these drinks holders from Poundland. They work for the dolls as little rubber rings. I think they look so cute. And then we have a little Barbie chair. And then we have the Starving Shark from Poundland that I think will look like a blow up shark toy on the beach. We have our little bucket, and with the Sandcraft it works quite well to make little castles. And then I start placing some dolls from various videos. And then a Charm You mini rucksack. A bag from a Wonder Woman fashion pack, I think. One Jiggy Jiggy. A doggy from a Steffi pack. More dolls. The doll looks very good in the hammock. Another Mon Jiggy Jiggy. And then that's it, it's all done. making little sand castles. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.